Hi guys, this is how to reset service reminder of Isuzu D-Max 2018 model. First is ignition on, and then just press only this button and the two button, that one, like this. Press this one, go to settings, and then select mode, this one, that one, and then long press this button, and then go to the service, press this one down, that one, and then long press this side button, see engine oil, then long press to 15,000 kilometers, long press. Okay, it's 15,000 kilometers, 1 year. And then press this one to up, to maintenance, then long press again, and then 15,000 kilometers, long press again. See, all goods. Thank you.